page is slightly different to the previous one. I have so many certificates of the same category, and I want to fit all of them in one page. I will break up the page into parts so it makes more sense to you. Firstly, we have the subtitle. Then we have the container. Include the row, which is made of 2 certificates, 2 headings, and 2 paragraphs. If you just have 2 certificates, that's fine. If you have more, just copy the div card and paste it there. You can copy and paste the div cards as much as certificates you have. So let's begin. Make a new file and call it whatever you want, but I will call mine GRC. Don't forget to copy and paste the header and footer. Below the UL, I already typed what we will be doing. As I mentioned before, this page includes a container which has a row that contains 2 images, 2 headings, and 2 paragraphs. Let's check out the page and see the result. Now that we have the main thing done, let's move on to the styling. This is the styling page of GRC. I use the same class of row in another part of the video. So use flex for flexibility and wrap in case if you want to wrap the images underneath each other for small devices. The heading is easy. Let's move on to the card one. The main important thing here in the card is the width. It's important to use width as the same of the certificate. For the height, I used 450, which is more than 30 in original one. The reason that I used this, some room to write underneath the image. So it's up to you how much the height is. Let's have a look to the page after styling. Okay. In case if I have 4 certificates, all I have to do is copy the row and paste it here. Change the image name, also what you have learned for each one. Let's check it out. Cool. In case if you have 5 certificates, just copy the top one and paste it